Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we will learn how to protect cells in Google Sheet with password. So let's get started. Firstly, you have to open your Google Sheet software and we can see we made a column or the data table already. Now I am select this cells to protect this with password. Then go to the data menu. Otherwise, you can click right button to the selected sheet and go to the view more action and select this protect range option. Now you can see here the range or the sheet you can protect the whole sheet, otherwise you can select your range this sheet and protect this range. Now we can see here show the data sheet number of this range. Now I'm click set permissions. We can see here the range editing permission, but here not available the password. You can protect this sheet only you, otherwise you can customizely added another email to protect this sheet. Who can edit this sheet? You can edit this email. Now I am click this only you option, then click done, and we can see here the change shape. Now I test the sheet is locked or protected. Try on another. Go to the share option and share to another. Then we can see here the anyone with the link access is editor and copy the link. Then we access another browser or profile, then paste the link and check this. Now I am select the first cell and write anything, and we can see we write anything easily. Now I am click this protected sheet and write anything. Here we can see we not write at this sheet. Here show the pop-up. There was a problem. You are typing to edit protected cells or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. Now we see or understand this is a protected sheet. We're not writing this. I hope you understand this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get the next video easily. Thanks for watching.